good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Can you see yourself?
What?
Can you see yourself? What you gonna do, buddy?
Gonna watch shows on my PS3. No.
What do you want him to do?
I want him to go on Roblox and play the game that I am gonna play.
Can he do that right after?
Yes. Hi.
Say good morning.
Good. I already said that.
Did you say good morning?
Yeah. Subscribers. Can I subscribe to Little Lizard Mom? Mom,
Mm-hmm.
can I?
Pancakes.
It goes good in my hair. It's Lynn.
It's snowing!
We're off to school and there's a blizzard and it's really cold. See, it's a blizzard. Yeah, it's really slippery out.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's cold.
Winter can end.
Yep, really soon. What do you think?
Hi.
No, what do you think about the snow?
Crazy.
Okay, I guess that's what you get out of him. This is nuts. It is so freaking blizzardy. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see it, but the snow is like falling and it just keeps falling and falling. Big flakes. Everywhere flakes. I don't like snow. I really don't. Especially cold. So you know it's cold.
Yep.
Do you like snow, buddy? Yeah? Are you gonna bring your sled? We didn't bring your snow pants, so no. Wow! We did not bring your snow pants. That was silly.
I don't care.
You're gonna get all wet.
No.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not, Mom.
No? You're not gonna get wet in the wet snow? Wow. It hasn't needed snow pads.
Oh,
in a while 'cause
yeah.
it's icy. You can't slide on the ice. You having pancake as a snack?
Yeah.
I really like your hair.
Yes.
We want a mohawk today, hey?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. I love it. Nice, it's just flopping all over the place. I got to stay home today because it's snowing like a mofo outside. And the people that I nanny for didn't, they own a winery and they couldn't go prune or anything like that. So, I got to stay home. So I'm making some lunch. We're gonna have some, ooh, look at that goodness. Whoa, crazy. We're having wraps. Fajita wraps. And Mr. Man is having a sandwich. Lunch. Yeah. We don't have any of that stuff, so try this. It makes the same thing. It's really good, I think. Yeah. It's jam and cream cheese. You don't need to wash it while you have some lunch.
Yeah.
Dad coming down? He's playing games probably, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Put your boots on. We're gonna go get the kids. Put your boots on.
Hey, Mom. Hey. And that's all I'm
We're gonna go get the kids. First, I'll hip check you.
No. Mom.
Boo! We're in the truck. Going to get the kids. We can't see out the window because there's so much snow.
Fleslin. Oh, there it is. We're getting front row today, baby. Oh, we're getting this one right here. This is my jam right here. Kaboom. That slide. Oh, this would have been a great corner, but you ruined it for me, dudes.
Still good.
Oh, no. Oh, it's always hard to tell if there's anything up further. There is not. You're gonna have to go way back here.
Sometimes people move that get off at 3 and from not working crazy.
Oh yeah, the blue one, because that one does the Wi-Fi. It's got its own little Wi-Fi signal.
Oh, man.
No, we're not going into McDonald's today. Mom just wants tea. She did. Apparently make tea at home.
Can you give me the double chocolate cookie?
Yeah, I sure can.
My chips.
What is that supposed to? What emoji is that supposed to do? Like, what does that mean? Happy face? Thought you were gonna say that mean.
I was going to, and then I'm like, well, that's dumb. I'm gonna throw it in my truck. No, no thanks.
No, all of me today.
Frick.
Big fish, small cat meat. Fat fish.
Fat fish? What?
It says right. It's a kid. It's a big fish. What are you looking
Oh, it
at?
actually does say fat fish.
See? Oh, I see it.
Rich fish. My friend goes fishing.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Sorry about that, my baby. Is that your coffee?
That's my coffee.
Tiny?
Yeah. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Oh, I'm gonna have a bite.
No. He's like,
One little bite of Treyton.
That's
Mm. Oh, this one's yours.
want her
That is
Wi-Fi.
really good. The most chocolate chips.
Yeah. You want one?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Welcome. You gonna share with your sister? That look dope.
We're just chilling before supper. What are you guys doing?
Video games as usual.
Yeah.
Harley, where are you? Oh, I'm
That
dead.
one's playing episodes and listening to extremely loud music.
She can't even hear you.
Oh, she will record
Hey,
it.
cutting up potatoes for supper, baby.
Yeah.
Yummy. Thanks. Harley's bleh, hair has still got that.
It's got a little bit of a full hawk. I just woke up kind of look going
Yeah,
on there.
it's good. It's got some style. Hey, bud, loving the hair.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Nobody
Um,
ever sees you because you're hiding behind your camera.
excuse me, have you not seen the latest video? I'm editing stuff. It's rendering. See, rendering.
Is this you?
Rendering.
From someone else.
It's all yellow in here. There we go.
Don't you dare.
I'm in the last video a lot.
Yeah.
Here you go, watch it.
This is what we're doing later.
One. Is that one?
Yeah. When the kids go to bed.
Ooh, yeah.
And you gotta have that cream cheese dip. No fair.
It's not
It's sour-
cream cheese dip. It's sour
Sour
cream dip.
cream dip.
It's still not fair because I love that stuff.
Really?
Yeah, well,
What are you eating
if
right now?
You're lucky, and if you're good, we'll save you some.
Yeah.
Oceana, say hi.
Hi.
Oh.
Hey.
This is how Oceana now.
Oh my goodness.
Nice one, Treyton. Oh, Harley. That laugh is out of this world, buds.
You can stop now.
Oh, he's hiding. He doesn't want to.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Hey.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my gosh. Hey.
Hey.
What am I doing?
Focus.
Hey.
Hey. This is how Lucy talks. Hey.
Looking at my camera.
It's totally lit sound.
No, no.
You okay there, Harley?
Yes. Can you see me,
You can juggle maybe. My friends teach us to juggle.
I can juggle like basic, like super basic.